Mary, mother of the recreated world. The creation of God the Father was deadened by human sin. But by becoming a man, born of the Virgin Mary, God the Son restored that creation. Saint Anselm observes that as God is the Father of the created world, Mary is the mother of the recreated world. Blessed Lady. Sky and stars, earth and rivers, day and night, everything that's subject to the power or use of the human race, rejoice that through you they are in some sense restored to their lost beauty and are endowed with inexpressible new grace. All creatures were dead, so to speak, useless for humanity or for the praise of God who made them. The world, contrary to its true destiny, was corrupted and tainted by the acts of those who served idols. Now all creation has been restored to life and rejoices that it's controlled and given splendor by those who believe in God. The universe rejoices with new loveliness beyond description. Not only does it feel the unseen presence of God Himself, its Creator, it also sees Him openly, working and making it holy. These great blessings spring from the blessed fruit of Mary's womb. Through the fullness of the grace that was given you, Mary, dead things rejoice in their freedom, and those in heaven are glad to be made new. Through the Son who was the glorious fruit of your virgin womb, righteous souls who died before His life-giving death rejoice as they are freed from captivity, and the angels are glad at the restoration of their shattered domain. Lady, full and overflowing with grace, all creation receives new life from your abundance. God, then, is the Father of the created world, and Mary the mother of the recreated world. God is the Father by whom all things were given life, and Mary the mother through whom all things were given new life. For God begot the Son, through whom all things were made, and Mary gave birth to Him as the Savior of the world. Without God's Son, nothing could exist, without Mary's Son, nothing could be redeemed. Saint Anselm of Canterbury, Virgin Mary, mother of the recreated world in God's presence, consider. Have I ever considered that in one sense, the Blessed Virgin Mary is the mother not just of Jesus, but of the whole of creation that He redeemed? Do I honor her as my mother? Closing prayer. Hail, Mary, full of grace, Mother of our Savior, Mother of the redeemed, Mother of a world recreated. Teach me to be your true child by imitating your faith and holiness.